Hey cuties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. So cuties, I feel like I have not seen you guys for a minute, or you guys haven't seen this beautiful face for a minute. And I'm really excited today because I have an unboxing of a PR package that I got from Double Dip. I am so excited to show you guys what I got. I got it about a week ago, but y'all know I was on mission. I work for Uncle Sam, so I'm getting to it today. And let's jump right in and see what I got in this PR package. I was so excited because they reached out to me and I was like, yes, yes, yes. I will definitely like to get some PR from you guys. So let's get into it. So cutie patooties, this is what I have here. I already took the outer layer packaging off and opened the box, but I did not open it all the way. So let's see what we have. The order sheet and everything came in here with everything that they sent me. Y'all, I have a coupon. It looks like I have a coupon, you guys. Oh, yes, I have a coupon. So here is the little note from them. It says, hey love, first of all, thank you for accepting our PR invite. We really like your content and would love to work with you and your account. We want to share with the world what you think, or we want you to share with the world what you think about our products. How was your experience? What did you like? Would you use our products again? Please do tell. So they gave me this coupon code, which is Kuita10, Q-U-I-T-A 10. I hope you guys can see that. So please do, if you guys purchase anything from them, please use my coupon code right here. All right, cuties, I'm gonna do this live. There's gonna be tons of noise because my robot vacuum is vacuuming, my girls are playing. But without further ado, oh, what's good about our products? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I'm doing this live, so okay. Just letting y'all read a little while I'm reading a little. Okay, cool. Now, let's get right into it. Y'all, I have been seeing this bag on a lot of people's channels, and I finally have my own. It's this cute little holographic, iridescent, whatever you want to call it, double dip bag. It's really cute. It has the zipper right here. And let me move this to the side so you guys can see how big it is. But I think as I open stuff up, I'm gonna put it in here. This is super cute, y'all. Really cute bag. I like this. Okie dokie. So dip powder kit instructions. Ooh, yeah, I need this because y'all, I've never done like dip nails the traditional way. So this will be really, really great. Okay, so it has all the instructions in here. How to apply, how to use a brush cleaner, and all that great stuff. So let's put that to the side. Now we have some beautiful butterfly stickers. You guys know I love butterflies. Y'all can't tell me that these ain't so stinking cute. They're so cute. And they're iridescent. It looks almost 3D when it moves a bit. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I like this. I really, really like this. Thank you, Double Dip, for sending me these goodies. I'm already so excited right off the rip. Ooh, and here is some Louis Vuitton Supreme nail stickers. These are so cute, y'all. Because y'all know I've made my own stickers with my Cricut, but this is super cute. These are nail decals. Super cute. I am so excited about this box already. So in this box, I received also the Double Dip Premium Nail Liquid. Y'all, I am loving this box. I love the holographic effect that truly matches the bag. It's really, really cute. So premium nail products for you, your at-home nail lab. I feel like I can't read. Okay, cuties. So product features, it's a fast drying nail technology system, no harsh chemicals, which is always good. It's a healthier alternative for nails, added vitamins and proteins to strengthen your nail bed. Liquids are proudly made and packaged in the US of A. And it's proudly American woman-owned business and support American economy. So it includes a dip base, an activator, the dipping tool, a brush cleaner, and it tells you all about the main ingredients, which I cannot pronounce any of that. So hopefully you guys can read it here. This is their website. The distributor is Allure Beauty Designs in Dallas, Texas, LLC. And I saw that on the outside of the package and I was kind of confused because I'm like, is this from Born Pretty or Double Dip? I didn't know because it said Allure Beauty Design, but now I know it's from Double Dip. So let's open this up, cuties, and see what's inside. Awesome. So this is the dipping system. I love that it's color coded. First and foremost, the colors are very bright and there is not going to be any mistaking what is what. So this red one is the dip base. I'm going to definitely have to do a separate video of me doing a set with this. It's quite runny. Because y'all, I can't do a video with me doing a set with this because I've got to read those instructions. And let me take a sniff test. Very light smell. I had to actually put it to my nose to smell it. So number 2 is the dip base. Number 3 is the activator. I don't have to open it. You guys can see how super liquidy that is. Number 4 is the top coat. So this is the dip top coat. Let's open this and see the consistency real quick. Ooh, nice and thick. I like that. Oh, we like that. Yes, we like that. And we have number 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the brush cleaner. I like this color, y'all. Is it just me? But I like this color. I like that it's semi-bluish green, just like the bottle top. It's really cute. I like it. Okay, so that is what came in the box. They also sent me these cute little removers. Y'all know I have some of these already. So it's the reusable, what you call these, y'all? The reusable nail remover things. You can, you know, saturate the pad, remover pad with alcohol or acetone, depending on what type of enhancement you have on. And you just place it on your finger and then you leave it on there and you can take it off, right? I'm not going to open this. I just had to kind of think about it for a second. I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because I already have some, but thank you so much, you guys, for sending me these. I really appreciate it. Next, we have a dipping system. Professional Nails Dip Powder Recycling System. Again, cuties, y'all remember I bought one of these a while back. So guess what I'm gonna do with this? It is gonna be a giveaway. So I'm not gonna open it because y'all know how I am about doing giveaways. I don't like opening the things that I'm gonna give someone because I want you to have that full experience. So I'm gonna save this. I really like it. The one I have is very similar to this. I like it and I know that you're gonna like it too. So this is also gonna be a part of a giveaway for you guys. So if you haven't already known, cuties, I do, I'm so sorry. I don't know what that was. I do have double dip products already. I brought like 2 things a while back from them, but I'm happy to get this. And they got to know your girl, because guess what colors are in this cute little bag? Drum roll, please. Boom! It's Calla Lily. Purple, purple, purple. Purple, purple, purple. Yes, I'm so excited. So this is double dip color 721. Hope you guys can see that. And it's called Calla Lily. This is so pretty. Let me open it up so you guys can see. And I'm sure there's a covering on it, but I'm gonna open it. And so let me tell you, first of all, I love their packaging. I love the containers. I like that the tops are silver and the writing is also silver on here. I really, really, really like that. I have the crystal clear from them, so when I do a set, I'm more than likely going to encapsulate what I do with that crystal clear. I like that they also have this protective piece on here that's not super hard to remove, but I've seen and I have done in the past use this like I would acrylic, and it also says on the container dipping acrylic ombre. So you can use this product for 3 different things. But isn't this color gorgeous? I hope it focuses so you guys can really see it, but y'all already know I love purple. Y'all can see I got my little purple hoodie on. And let's get to the next color once I figure out how to close this the right way. I'm gonna save this one right here for last because it's gonna blow y'all mind. The next one I have is color 662 Pink Winks. Hopefully it focuses. Let's see how pretty. Oh my gosh, they know me. Purple and pink together, so cute. I can't wait to do a Halloween set with this, y'all. What y'all think? A Scream theme Halloween set. This is so cute. Look how, and it looks like it has some shimmers in it. I can kind of see some little shimmering at the top. Hopefully, oh my goodness, I need this thing to focus. Please focus. Y'all see some little shimmering, right? I hope y'all can see it, but I can see them. They're like more over on this side. And let's get into the last color in here, and this is color 1342 Pretty Petals, and it's a glitter, y'all. I cannot wait to do something with this, y'all. I'm so excited already, super duper excited. And you see, this is why I don't do live voiceovers, because y'all, I get a little crazy sometimes. But isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Look at those iridescent, hollow, beautiful glitters in there. Purple and pink. It's just super duper pretty. I cannot wait to do something with this. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's coming, it's coming. I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. And last but not least, I also received a pretty little dipping brush. So this is a cute little duster brush for dusting the nails, and I'm definitely gonna keep this because it has a super long handle and I like that. And they gave me some swatch sticks so I can go ahead and swatch these for y'all. But I'm not gonna swatch anything until I understand what I'm doing with this system. Kitties, and that is pretty much it for this video. I want to say thank you so much to Double Dip for sending me this awesome kit. I cannot wait to try this out and create a pretty set with these dip powders and actually do a dip powder set for my very first time here on Cutie Nails. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much to my loyal cuties for stopping by. To all of my recent cuties who subscribe to this channel, thank you so much. And as always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye.